So welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can change language in your Bitget wallet in your iOS device. So guys, if your mother tongue is in a different language or you understand better in a different language, so you want to change the language of your Bitget wallet, but you don't know how to do so, then this video is for you. So let's get right into it. Just go ahead and open your Bitget wallet first. And now just go ahead and tap on home over here. And once you're there, just look at the top left corner over here and tap there, and right off the bat you can see the options: language, currency, theme, reporting cycle, rewards account, and advanced account over here. You just need to go ahead and tap on language, and now just select any language that you want. So let's say it's in Hindi. Guys, as you can see, you have successfully changed your Bitget wallet to Hindi. So if you want to change it back, just go ahead and do the steps again. Just go ahead and tap on this, and now tap on English, and you're back to English. Guys, there you go. That's how you change language in your iOS device in Bitget. This video was helpful. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.